Welcome, food enthusiasts, to another delicious episode of our culinary exploration. Today, we embark on a flavorful journey, tracing the origins of one of the world's most beloved street foods, shawarma. Shawarma, with its tender, juicy meat wrapped in soft pita bread and topped with a myriad of flavorful sauces, has captured the hearts and taste buds of food lovers around the globe. But where did this delectable dish originate? To understand the origins of shawarma, we must journey back thousands of years to the ancient lands of Mesopotamia, where early civilizations roasted meat on vertical spits. The essence of shawarma lies not only in the meat, but also in the aromatic blend of spices used to marinate it. Spices such as cumin, coriander, and sumac have been integral to Middle Eastern cuisine for centuries. The key to a perfect shawarma lies in the marinade. Traditional recipes often include a mixture of yogurt, lemon juice, garlic, and a blend of spices, which infuse the meat with incredible flavor. As trade routes expanded and cultures intermingled, shawarma evolved, taking on different forms and flavors in various regions. From the Turkish doner kebab to the Greek gyro, the influence of shawarma can be tasted worldwide. Whether you're enjoying it on the streets of Beirut or in a bustling metropolis halfway across the world, shawarma continues to bring people together through its tantalizing taste and rich history. Join us next time as we uncover more culinary treasures from around the globe. Until then, happy eating!